Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. How are you all? Hope you all are fit and fine. So today we are going to another question, Olympiad questions, in which there are two equations, AB plus C equals to 2020, and the next equation is A plus BC is equals to 2021. And here we need to find these values, known variable values we need to find here, A, B and C. How to find this value? Everybody knows there are two equations. When in the question two equations are given, always we are using method, elimination method and the substitution method, and we'll get the value of A, B and C. So here you can see the first equation is equal to 2020 and the second equation is equal to 2021. And you can see, if you see the 2020 and 2021, the only difference, if you subtract it, you'll get the value of 2021 and 2020. If you subtract it, the right hand side will become 1. So first of all we will subtract it so that the right hand side is 1. So let's see, AB plus C minus A plus BC. We will subtract these two equations. This is equation number 1, this is equation number 2. Okay, so we will subtract these two equations. So AB plus C minus A and minus BC, and it is minus 1. 2020 minus 2021. 2021 is a greater number, so that the sign should be a minus. Okay, now you can see here AB and A, in these two terms A is common, and in these two terms C is common. Now you can see A is the common here, so it is B minus 1, and here C is the common, it is 1 minus B equals to minus 1. Now you can see here the B minus 1, here is the 1 minus B. Both are the not same, only the difference is the sign difference. So first we will make the sign same. So A, B minus 1, is it okay? Okay. Now can we write this, can we convert this 1 minus B is equal to B minus 1? So we'll take out the minus sign. See, minus sign outside, so it is B minus 1. Okay, so we'll take out the only minus sign, so that this minus B convert into plus B and this 1 is converted into the minus 1. Now you can see in this equation B minus 1 is common, we'll take out. So inside is A minus C, and here the negative number minus 1. Now this minus 1, we will convert this minus 1 also in the positive form. So this minus sign come the left hand side. So this B minus 1, which is 1 minus B, and A minus C is as it is, so that this minus 1 convert into plus 1. This minus sign goes in this first term B minus 1, so it is negative and minus 1 is the positive. Minus 1 is positive and it is negative, so 1 minus B and A minus C equals to 1. Okay, so that this is the equation. Now you can see this one, can we write this one in two ways, 1 into 1 or minus 1 into minus 1. And here is 1 minus B and A minus C. So you can see 1 minus B and A minus C. We will write this 1 into 1, and another way is minus 1 into 1. So here two cases are allowed for solving these value, for solving the value of A, B, C. Okay, so the first case is if this is the first case. Okay, so we are using first case. First case is 1 minus B and A minus C equals to 1 into 1. So 1 minus B is equal to this one, and so that the value of B is minus b, and this one goes to right hand side, so it will be 0. So the b value is 0. So b value is 0. And the second one is this a minus c is equal to this one, a minus c equals to 1. So this is your first case. You will get b equals to 0 and the a minus c equals to 1. So if b equals to 0 and a minus c equals to 1. Now remember the initial equations are these equation. So can we put this b equals to 0 here in these two equations? So we will write again this equation here. So we'll put the b value, put b equals to 0. So you can see if you put b equals to 0, so this portion is 0. 0 plus c equals to 2020. So your c value is easily available. If you put that b equals to 0, so c is equals to 2020. Now c equals to 0 and b equals to 0. We'll get both the values. Now find the third value is a. How to find this third value? If you put here b equals to 0 and c equals to 2020, and the according to second, you can see here b equals to 0, and the for this equation, in case first a minus c equals to 1, so we'll write here this a minus c equals to 1 and c value is 2020. So a value, this minus 2020 go to that side, so it is 2021. So a value is this. So this one and this one, these are the three values according to first case. This is your case 1. This is your case 1. Now the case 2. Where is the case 2? The case 1 is, according to case 1, we will write this 1 value 1 into 1. And case 2 is, we will write this 1 value is equal to minus 1 into minus 1. So case 2. Case 2 is 1 minus b and a minus c equals to minus 1 into minus 1. Okay. This dot represent the into sign, minus 1 into minus 1. Now you can see this 1 minus b equals to, if this equal to minus 1 and this a minus c equal to minus 1. So what value will get? Minus b, this 1 is goes to that side, which is equal to minus 2. 1 is goes to that side, so minus 1 minus minus plus, so minus 2. So b equals to 2. Okay. Now here you can see a minus c is already, this is the equation. So you can see the b value is 2. So again we are using these two, the given equation. The given equation is, so according to case 2, b value is 2 and a minus c is equals to minus 1. So again we are using the given equation, which is ab plus c equals to 2020. So here we will put b equals to 2. So b equals to 2 plus c equals to 2020. So it is 2a plus c equals to 2020. So you can see if you put the b equals to 2, so we will not get any value of a and c. But this is the another, we will find the another linear equation of in two variables. So we will suppose this equation is 4 and a minus c minus 1 is the equation number 3. So you can see a minus c equals to minus 1, and this is also the equation in terms of a and c. So both are the equation in terms of a and c. So we are solving these equations, equation third and fourth. On solving equation third and fourth. So equation third is minus 1 and equation fourth is, we will write again. Now you can see if you multiply the equation number 3 is 2. So it is 2a minus 2c equals to minus 2. We are using elimination method of linear equation chapter. You can use the substitution method also. Now we will subtract it. Okay, we will subtract it. So it is cancel out, and minus minus plus, 2c minus minus is minus 3c, and it is minus minus, it is, wait for a while, if you add these two, so it is 2022. Okay, it is 2022. Now c value is minus minus cancel out, 2022 and divide by 3. So 3 6 are 18, 19, 20, and 3 7 are 21, and 3 4 are 12. So c value is 674. It is correct. Now b value is already know, b equals to 2, c is 674. Now the another chance of a. So the equation number 3, which is very small, so we'll put here the value of c. This is the easy equation, so that we will put here. So a equals to easy and short equation, minus 674 goes to right hand side, so it will be a positive form. Now minus plus minus, and it is 673, the value of a. So you can see how to do this question. We will just use a trick here. There are two equations in which you can see the difference is only right hand side, you can see the numbers, only difference is one number. So we are using, first of all, subtract both the equations. If you are subtract the equation, you'll get the equation this one. Okay, this one. Now you can see this one, we will split this one in two ways, 1 into 1 minus 1 into 1. So here we are using two cases. First case is if the 1 into 1, so the b value is 0 and a minus c1 is the equation. If you put this b value here in this equation, so you'll get the value of c, and a minus c equals to 1. If you put the value c here, so you'll get the value a. Similarly, we are using the second case and we will get the value a, b, c. So there are two cases, so that we'll get the value a and b and c. So if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe my channel, and remember, please press the bell icon for further notification. Thank you and thanks for watching.